Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Medium and what is Medium. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you downloaded the app, open it of course, and then you can sign up with Google or sign up with email, or if you have already an account you can see the sign in option. So what is Medium? Medium is a platform where you can read articles about different topics, and of course you can write articles as well. And if you write articles you can earn money with it. So regarding the views and the time spent on your articles, you can earn money, which is if you are someone who likes writing articles, blog posts, and so on, then this is a really great way to earn money. So let's sign up. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Alright, so I've just selected my Google account, and now you can see that the app is updated. Let's review who you are following to improve your home screen and recommendation. Alright, continue. What are you interested in? Add to or edit the topics you follow. Choose 3 or more. Let's say mindfulness, money, education, psychology, design. All right, next. And you can find see what people you know are sharing. Find your Twitter network on Medium. If you want that, click on the connect. If you do not want that, click on the skip this step. Here are some top writers based on your interest, so you can follow these writers. If you do not want that, click on the finish, and then you can see how the app looks like. In the next videos I'm going to talk about the features and the settings of this app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.